Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hopefully you'll get some new information for yourself regarding the trading and positions. Let's see our stocks on European session. Kind of made some changes because at the first we had a great opening of the European markets. Germany and FTSE, they all was green, but the data came out and they are pardon, and they are went down. Okay, first of all, even if data is very positive, it gives us a positive outlook for the whole week ahead. And Germany business expectations came out 94.20 and 94.20, sorry. And then there is business climate index is slightly higher than previous one. Okay, but still they needed some pullback right now, because mainly the first idea of making the pullback is depending on just one second, what's happening. Okay, let's check the stocks. I don't know, for some reason investing just glitchy today. Okay, so first of all, let's see right away Dubai markets and Middle Eastern markets. Tarsi is going up, and as I said last week, after the break of 91.27, this line should be somewhere here. Yes, it is here. That line. If this line is broken, then we will have a confirmation to go to 92,000 and then to 96,000 and then to 10,000 of the TASI level. Okay, now let's watch our stocks here. I know something happened. Okay, inflation risk concern and place, and today there is Lagarde speech. Christine Lagarde, the ECB chairman. Okay, so let's check our stocks and trading journal. Yep, it was very positive in the morning, but for some reason they got really scared regarding the inflation rates. But it's it's European market, European economy, and their concern is a bit different from US market and completely different from Middle Eastern markets. Okay, so for now, Reno is went down, plus BMW is same. It was just €1 ahead, and Intesa San Paulo is almost same, just more than higher than yesterday. And Siemens is same. Deutsche Bank is giving us a very good profit right now. Let's check it. Okay. Yep, it's coming to our target line at 9,690. If it will be broken, then we will see a very good chance to break 10,000. This now will be also broken for sure. Okay, so we check Deutsche Bank. We will leave Deutsche Bank and we'll leave Nest. Let's have it with Nestle to ditch down for 2. Okay, let's check that stock here. I don't think that we had last time. So it opened with gap. Yeah, well, it opened with gap, and this gap will be filled, I'm sure about it. So we'll just need some little patience. For now, the half of the day is passed on European trading session, and it doesn't look good for the whole week ahead. Basically, they do have some bears inside, and Dow futures are going down too. Okay, to our support line again. But I think they will be supported and confirmed by the market. First of all, let's check TASI and Tadawul. 8300 will come to 52. We will leave it. 8310 will break 40.71. We will leave it too. And let's correct that. 2010. Let's check that. Oh, it's broken our level, as I said, from last week. It will break the 103.41. It will be broken, and 106 will be broken for sure. So we'll wait until 106. These stocks on this market are giving us a very good market prices. Very positive. It giving us 8300 giving us $1,600 profit. Amana is giving us 2,800 profit, and Sabic is giving us 1,750. Just these three stocks are a bit frustrating and a bit depressive, negative view. Okay, so let's check Reno. Okay, so we should be very flexible in our positions. Okay, it opened with gap. That's why, yeah, and I'm sure that BMW also went down by the gap opening. Let's see. Yeah, but it's not that. But this gap is over here. It's not. You cannot count that. So it's not with the gap. Okay. And Siemens. And that's it. I mean, totally we can cut the losses and get out of the positions right now, or we will be patient. We will be consistent in our trading position, and we will wait until they will restore these three stocks. Okay, which is Siemens, BMW, and Renault. For now, they are like giving us some negative yield. Let's check performances. Fundamental today. The EPS are very good at very good prices over here on Nestle, except that Renault is giving us minus 29.55. But in terms of French economy, I think it's positive. Okay? And let's check candlestick patterns. BMW had Harley Cross, which is bullish. Mana, we'll check it. Siemens, the Shooting Star. Yeah. Shooting Star, it does have like opposite movement sometimes. Even if Shooting Star came out on the bearish movement, then it means that then it does means that it will reverse. Yeah, it will reverse, I'm sure about it. We have a slight movement down on total positions. Okay, regarding profits. And what I'm thinking also we do have like a $4,000 today margin that we can add. So what I'm thinking is to give another try of buying the Euro sessions. In Euro session, I'm thinking to add and make some hedge on currency markets. Okay, there will be also some different presentation regarding cryptocurrencies, which is completely devoted for the cryptocurrencies. Okay, and let me just show you forex market, and I'm positive if we will open the forex positions, it will be good, and we will have like a positive inflow of the capital. Okay, I'm using MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is a very professional, very open platform on all forex market. If you will ask any professional on the forex market which is the best platform to trade on and to use for your charts and analysis, they will all say that it's a MetaTrader. So let me show you some of my analysis on euros starting from the daily charts. We do have a very negative uh, divergence on MACD, as you can see. Just let me make it more detailed. Okay, we have a very divergence. What does divergence mean? Divergence mean the meaning of the divergence is opposite move of the price. If the price is going up, the opposite move is going down. So, but that divergence is not yet being worked out. It means that it didn't fall yet below zero. One time it tried, but it got stopped over here and they reached support line on the trend line, on the trend channel. Okay, so it doesn't start it here. Okay, so why I'm switching for the 4 hour chart will give us a little bit detailed view inside the market. Okay, first of all, 4 hour will close daily charts, and 1 hour will close 4 hour charts. Okay, I mean the sequence of the time frames, one time frame inside the other time frame. Okay, so what's happening? There is even divergence inside. It's under very big bearish pressure. There is a bear pressure on euros, and market is fighting. The bulls are trying to break this last strong resistance here. That one, as you can see on that candle, it didn't reach it yet. So it's a big fight over here. Let's see a little bit more closer what's happening. They even started to draw the third line, third waves. Okay, but in generally, let's check what market is waiting exactly um, for today, regardless the business expectations, prices. Okay, just one sec. Okay, let's check economical calendar. What's happening? Why they are so heavy today? The market is really heavy. A lot of people want to sell and want to close their positions. Okay, today is French and Lagarde. Yes, Lagarde is the ECB president, Christine Lagarde. Um, plus there is Dallas manufacturing units, but it's not that significant. So in general, market is in range. It's in the flat. I'm not saying that it's bearish now, and I'm not saying that it's bullish now. Market is waiting for that speech. Basically, it is concerned for many hedge funds and for the banks to trade on. So I wouldn't recommend to get something today in Euro session, except that I would buy euros, but I would buy after she will speak, which will happen in 9:30. 9:30 Eastern time. Okay, so we're still. By the way, our prices, we open it here, we bought euro here, and it's now 4,800. So let's see this minute chart close. Let me go surface to the phones. No, there, I don't think that if they will break it, then it's good. If it's not, then they will keep it inside this small region, okay, until she will speak, until she will make her speech. Yep, there. So as I said, to sum it up, our Euro trading session, the open trading session, the market is halted. First of all, some of the Middle Eastern stocks went up, but it's not that high, except that the Egyptian market is giving us 1%. So we can add tomorrow. We can add Egyptian markets and some of the Abu Dhabi stocks. Qatar market is going down because they are following exactly what European. They do have a lot of capital in Europe, okay, and they are mostly affected by them. So we will just wait for her speech, and hopefully she will support the market instead of tanking it down, okay. And I will see you today and in American session, and soon we will make a crypto version also.